My dear students, our next topic is principles of prevention. So, what are the ways adopted for preventing a disease is included under principles of prevention. So, there are two ways how can we prevent a disease, that is general ways of prevention and specific ways of prevention. So, under general ways of prevention of exposure and a strong immune system, whereas in specific ways of prevention, immunization and vaccination. So what are the points we have to remember regarding general ways of preventing a disease is prevention of exposure. So what is meant by prevention of exposure? It includes isolating the diseased person and providing safe drinking water. Then control of vectors. Vectors are acting as a carrier to transmit the disease from person to person. So controlling the vectors will prevent the spread of disease from person to person. Now the next is providing a balanced diet. So by including a balanced diet, the person can develop a strong immune system. So these are the points coming under general ways of preventing a disease. Now let us see what is immunization and vaccination, which are the specific ways of preventing a disease. Now specific ways include immunization and vaccination. Now let us see what is vaccination. So in case of vaccination, a small number of inactive microbes is injected into the body of a person, which fools the immune system for developing the specialized cells to fight the microbes. And when such specific cells are present in the immune system, so what do you mean by this? That is, a vaccine is provided. A particular type of microbes are introduced into the body, and our body cells will start fighting against this intruder which is entered inside the body. So these vaccine include the disease causing microbe itself, but it is already dead ones, or it is actually a type of microbe which is not the real ones or not the active microbe, which will be introduced into the body, so that our body cells will recognize the intruder. And any type of intruder, if it enters inside the body, our body cells will automatically start fighting against this intruder. So here, in case of vaccination, when this intruder entered inside the body, our body cells, because of self-immunity, will start fighting against this intruder. So an immunity will be developed inside our body with this fight, and gradually our body cells will able to recognize if the real microbe entered, and an immunity will be developed inside the body. So this is what vaccination is meant by. So as you know, there are vaccines against polio, diphtheria, tuberculosis, measles, etc. So in all these cases, what is actually happening? These vaccines are injected through vaccines the same disease causing microbes, that is not the real ones. False microbes are injected into the body cells, and the body cells will start fighting against these microbes, so that a self immunity is developed inside the body. So this is the technique of vaccination. So this vaccination, immunization is another way how vaccination is. You might have heard about polio immunization program. So all over the world, this immunity is created inside the body by means of vaccination or immunization. So these are the specific ways of preventing a disease. Now even vaccination is available for, because you might have heard about hepatitis. So children under the age of 5 years should be given this vaccine. It is compulsory. Then rabies virus spread by the bite of dogs, then monkeys, cats, rabbits, etc. So anti-rabies vaccines are available. So all these are vaccines injected to children below the age of 5 in order to develop self-immunity to fight against such diseases. So this is regarding specific ways of preventing a disease.